Since aliens don't want to come find us, where are they themselves? Surely there can't be just one fish in the river. The Milky Way contains 200 to 400 billion stars, and according to scientists' estimates, there are roughly 300 million potentially habitable planets. Yet we've never received any signals that might indicate an alien civilization. Across the entire universe, there seems to be no trace of civilized activity. If extraterrestrials truly exist, where exactly are they? This is the famous Fermi Paradox. Fermi's question, where are they, hangs like an enigma across the cosmos. For decades, scientists have proposed countless hypotheses to explain the cause of the cosmic great silence. Among these, 4 hypotheses stand out as the most representative. 1. The rare Earth hypothesis. Geologist Ward and astronomer Brownlee proposed the rare Earth hypothesis in 2000. They argue that the emergence of complex life is not a natural outcome, but an extremely rare accident. Earth's conditions resemble a meticulously arranged miracle in the cosmos. It orbits the sun at a precise distance of 150 million kilometers. Neither scorched nor frozen, it possesses a perfectly balanced moon that stabilizes the Earth's axial tilt, enabling the cycle of seasons. Its outer atmosphere is shielded by a magnetic field that deflects deadly solar winds. Further out, Jupiter's immense gravitational pull constantly deflects comets and asteroids from colliding with us. Beyond this, Earth possesses the right chemical composition and moderate rotational speed. Geological cycles, plate tectonics, liquid oceans. The probability of all these elements aligning is virtually zero. Scientists estimate, among the hundreds of billions of planets in the Milky Way, perhaps no more than a few hundred possess these conditions. Therefore, Earth may not be a typical blue planet, but rather a fortunate anomaly in the cosmos. If this is indeed the case, the answer to the Fermi Paradox becomes straightforward. We haven't heard others speak, because we are the only ones in the universe who can speak. 2. The zoo hypothesis. What if we are not alone, but isolated? The zoo hypothesis was proposed by American astronomer John Barlow. He suggests that extraterrestrial civilizations may have discovered Earth, yet chosen not to contact us. The reasoning is straightforward. A sufficiently advanced civilization would inevitably master interstellar travel or quantum communication technology. They could either easily detect oxygen in Earth's atmosphere, methane anomalies, or detect the spread of our radio signals. So the question arises, if they know we exist, why do they remain silent? Barr's answer is an ethical blockade. These advanced civilizations regard us as an immature intelligent species, much like humans, observing animals in wildlife reserves. Without directly interfering in their evolution, they may have long since deployed probes on the far side of the moon in Jupiter's orbit, but they won't respond until we cross the threshold of self-destruction. From this perspective, the universe's silence isn't due to others' absence, but because we haven't earned the right to be heard. The cosmos may be bustling, but we've been muted. 3. The self-destruction hypothesis. The third hypothesis is far more brutal. It posits that all civilizations inevitably self-terminate once they attain sufficient technology. Imagine a pattern. The more technologically advanced a civilization, the higher its risk of self-destruction. Global warming, AI runaway threats, all could lead to our demise. So extinction may not stem from cosmic impacts, but from our own hand, from the universe's perspective. This might be the universal lifespan of intelligent civilizations. Brief brilliance, then self-annihilation. This implies The Milky Way may have hosted millions of civilizations, yet all vanished within centuries, or millennia of their birth. All that remains are lonely planets and cooling ruins. The four filters. Says this is the most philosophical explanation of the Fermi Paradox. He believes that from a planet's birth to the emergence of a civilization capable of exploring the cosmos lies a path, strewn with a series of nearly insurmountable obstacles, like a colossal cosmic sieve, sifting out countless potential life forms at each stage. Perhaps among these filtering points lies a barrier almost impossible to cross. Either we've luckily crossed it already, or it waits silently for us. If the filter still lies ahead, that barrier might mark humanity's end. Perhaps we're destined for solitude. Perhaps we're merely early arrivals. Perhaps only when we learn to listen will the night sky respond. But until that day comes, all we can do is ensure our civilization does not become the next silent planet.